seized!
They're not seized! Let's get it, boys! Alright, so if you guys are probably wondering what I'm doing, I have a Tomei. I had a Tomei on the car, but I went out and bought an NVIDIA one again. And I'm just going to slap it on before I go for my retune. I know that's long overdue, but yeah. So I just cleaned them up. I'm going to polish this one. I'm going to polish this one a little bit later. It might go up for sale. It looks so good, though. It's a shame it sounds like crap on my car. But I got this one. I know this one doesn't sound as crappy. It's still not 100%, but like, it's a lot less raspier than that one. So we're gonna clean it up. Other pipes over there. So gotta never dull this, polish this bad boy up, throw it on the Subaru. Always on jack stands, but yeah. And then in like a few days, I will clean up the Tomei. So let's get this bad boy cleaned up.
All right, so we're back in the Subaru. We came to Sheets, got some gas for the tune tomorrow. We got a 5 gallons of pump gas and 5 gallons of E85. I still got to clear out my tank because I got some E85 in here, but we're gonna drive around for a little bit and we should be back on pump gas, ready to go for tomorrow.
A lot of scraping.